I have worked in the slums of Tondo, Manila, and life there is very poor, very sad. And I'm going to bring this aspect in Miss Universe and see things like this with a silver lining. Thank you.
The new Miss Universe is Philippines.
Hey fam! This is Miss A, your classy beauty savvy. Akala nyo si Catriona Gray, no? I decided to recreate her look. Super duper fun and easy. I'm very pleased and honored to do something like this and somehow relive her memories, her winning moment during the Miss Universe 2018 pageant. I am very, very proud. I'm a very proud Filipina here. Strong women represent. So I'm very happy and excited to make this look for you guys. I hope you enjoy and stay tuned for the tutorial. Thank you so much. See you in the video. Alright, so I've already done my brows and prepped the skin. So ang gagawin na lang natin sa brows natin to copy or to somehow get her look is to make it a little bit bushy with our eyebrow mascara. So again, I don't have this similar eyebrow shape as hers. At saka darker din yung eyebrows niya kasi darker yung hair niya. So I'll just stick to what my hair color is and just work my way around it. Okay, so I'm using this Fashion 21 eyebrow gel that is in copper brown. Light hand, don't make it too much kasi magkakaroon siya ng buo-buo. Okay, I did the other eye off cam para mas mabilis and it's almost similar yung color palette niya ay almost similar din sa ating BRATZ makeup challenge that I did, the BRATZ doll makeup challenge. I'm going to link it somewhere in this video or down in the description box. So if you haven't checked that out, you can watch it first. Today, ginamit ko yung aking Sephora palette na very old na din. This has been so long. I've had this for so long, but it works well. So it has the shades that I need for the look. So Catriona Gray has smoky, dark, black and brown look with silver. So ayan sila lahat. Perfect colors. So that's what we're going to use. So let's begin. As always, prime your lids. I'm just using my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in Light. So super duper easy. Ganyan lang yan. And we're going to blend that one in with our ring finger. White shade. And we're going to use an all over the lid color for that. And what did I use for here? Okay, we're just gonna get a blending brush and pat it all in. Not pat, but you know, pack it all in. Brown shade over here. Okay, and we're gonna use another blending brush. This time we're going to concentrate this sa ating crease area. Course, we're going to use the black one to contour. And siya. We're gonna use that black. We're gonna focus that shade here again on the other outer crease. We're just gonna blend it all in here. The gray one, we will be using this And we will put this sa ating lid. Inner corner. Medyo shimmery siya because her look is a shimmery smoky look. Kasi, you know naman sa stage, kailangan may drama para makita siya. Cat eye, pero hindi naman super duper cat eye yung ginawa ni Catriona there. So, we will just make it subtle. Okay, so, tiny bit here. Konting flick lang yon. Oopsie. Ayan. So, I'll just put on my fake eyelashes and I'll be back. Ayan! So, tapos na natin ang eye look. Somehow, itong taas. And then, we will just go ahead and put our foundation on. So, since it's a pageant, dapat bigatin din yung foundation mo dito. So, we're going to use something na may full coverage. And this is what I have here. My Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Foundation. And I am in 01 Creamy Vanilla. There we go. I'm just gonna use my sponge again from Passion 21 to kind of blend this all over. Base niya looks so natural. So that's what we're going to achieve. Nothing so cakey or heavy. You can opt for what do you call this? A concealer, but I think I'm good. I don't want to use a concealer now. And I'm just going to use again my Fit Me foundation or my Fit Me powder foundation in 230 Natural Buff. Just gonna set my under eye with this one and make it look more flawless. Now we're going to finish up the eye look using some, getting the colors again that we used earlier. And then we're just gonna use a highlighter, and as always, it's the Ever Bilena Advanced Glow Out highlighter I'll be using for the inner corners. We're going to outline that nose and make it matangos. So we're gonna use this eyebrow thing, and we're going to just apply that on our nose with our sponge. I don't know. That's the best I can do. It looks okay off cam, pero sa camera hindi. Pero that's good enough. Now we're gonna do the cheeks and contour. As always, we're gonna use this Ever Bilena one. And we're just going to contour the face. Making it smaller, like Catriona's face. She's a smaller face now. And sexier face. And then a little bit on the blush. Kasi very subtle lang yung blush ni Catriona sa kanyang picture, so we're just gonna apply that as well. Again with this one. Ooh, so cool. Look at that. So nice. Okay, now for the signature lips, we're going to make it as red as we can do it. So I'm just gonna use this BYS lip liner in red. Gonna outline the lips first. This one is the Maybelline Rich Ruby lipstick. I'm just gonna finish up the look, do my hair, and I'll see you in a few. Hey, I'm back! So this is our Catriona Gray finished look. I hope you liked it. Super duper simple and super easy to recreate. I got this wonderful ear cups from Farmers. Super cheap then, 250, but I know you can get a cheaper deal sa Shopee. It's so cute, it's so fun. So there! I hope you like this tutorial and I hope you enjoy this. This is my take on Catriona Gray's winning look. And yay! See you again on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm a very proud Filipino right here. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like. Share this as well to your good friends, those who are fanatics of Catriona Gray. Hello there. Welcome, and I hope you enjoyed the rest of your day. Thank you so much for watching, fam. See you again. Bye.